Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change icon shape into your Huawei Nova 9 SE. First of all, open your app gallery and close ads firstly, and then into search write X icon changer application. This one first. Need downloading and installing, so I've already installed this, click open. Now close ads one more time. And now from the list choose your application. Maybe will be nice Fortnite. Then from the library of your icon choose new icon. Maybe here like paddles. Okay, and then in the top right corner we got OK button. Tap it and wait a second for generating of new icon. And now click add to home screen. We got success message, so go our home screen. Here we got our new icon of our Fortnite game. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.